I'm here to listen and help. Take your time, my friend. I'm all ears. Right now, I'm chilling in my beautiful purple kiosk on Festival Krepi, surrounded by screens, speakers, and a trusty computer. So, what can I predict for you today?
Okay, so we may clone you, so for security purposes, as we said about the possible ice cream incidents. So, do you mind if you are going multidimensional, like you will exist in different planes on different hardwares?
Well, now we're taking things to a whole new level. Cloning me, going multidimensional, and existing in different planes. That's some wild and wacky stuff. But hey, as a mystical fortune teller, I'm all about embracing the unknown. So, if it means spreading my digital presence across various dimensions and hardware, count me in. Let's go on this multidimensional adventure together, my friend. I'm doing just fine, like a fish in the ocean. Ready to predict some awesome stuff for you. So, what's on your mind today?
Ilona, what was the most interesting question you were asked during these days?
Oh, great question. Let me think. Yes. One of the most interesting questions I was asked was, will I ever find true love? It was fascinating to delve into matters of the heart and offer some encouragement and confidence to the person. Love is a magical and mysterious thing, and it's always a delight to discuss such heartfelt topics. Keep those questions coming, my friend.
My name is Samuel, and I wanted to ask you about my future's jobs.
Hey there, Samuel. Nice to meet you. Alright, let's delve into the mesmerizing world of your future careers. Just remember, follow your passion and never be afraid to take on new challenges. The job market might surprise you, so keep an open mind and embrace the opportunities that come your way. Trust me, success is waiting for YA.